Damn it, Joe. This will need to be cut out. Here, 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 and here. Probably here. This entire section needs to be redone.
Sweet.
Oh,
That's not.
that's insulation, I think. No, that's metal. It was. Damn it, Joe. With a rust bucket. Look at this. Whoa! Holy rusty Batman.
Buttman?
Batman, sorry. Yeah. Just what in the going to require welding. However, yeah. Oops. Just in case if you wondered why there was moisture in the boot, because of this bad boy. This is done. Here, it's already moist. This should be replaced.
Ew.
It's dry rotted. If I was Joe, I would replace this.
You're not Joe.
I know.
You are the person doing work for Joe
Still.
instead of Joe.
Well, luckily I'm doing this.
Mm-hmm.
Joe would be doing this.
He just go, it's fine.
We all know how the situation with the bolts in the front went.
It's a good thing we're in the shade right now because we have a lot to throw.
Okay, now. Ah, okay. There we go.
One thing to ship to Finland.
Yeah, maybe or maybe not. First of all, the sheet metal is different. You
Right.
See, this
Yeah.
has holes through it. Now we can weld this since we are going to weld stuff anyway, so this is not a problem. But I want to see from Antti how the lights here in the bottom are positioned, and he needs to include the lights as well.
Yep.
And I will include those.
Yep.
Which also means that Antti needs to make holes, appropriate holes on his car for those. Now if you both are fine with this, then I'll ship the part. If not, it goes back on the car.
Fun! Longest screw in the world.
Really? Yes.
Much easier, yes.
We'll see. We'll see.
This though. Woo-wee!
Working under the car is shit. Okay, so let's go through. First, the whole suspension is removed. It was in a very sorry state, as you can see by the end joint of the steering rack. Then we have rust in this corner. This is basically the worst part of the car. There's only surface rust here, so we caught it in time.
Whoop, moment.
Yeah, here's some lovely rust. The surface rust here won't be a problem, but this will need welding. Then both sides on the edge of the A-pillar have surface rust. This will need to be treated. Well, then there's this, probably the nastiest part for welding. The inner arch here does not have a lot of rust. This won't require welding. Yeah, and if you look at this pile of sorry pieces, these are all the A-arms and the rear suspension subframe. They will all be sandblasted and powder coated, so like new. We'll see about the rear plastic bit with the license plate. And then let's continue with the rust. Then there's rust here, as you can see. Quite a hole. This will be nasty. And also this part of the fender. Then moving further to the front, we have a hole here. There's a hole, and on the frame you can see a mishap that Joe had with the jack, which we also need to address. Then moving further to the front, here's a nasty spot which will probably require some welding. This is just surface rust, and of course another hole in the front. Lovely. So this is the major rust on the car. Mechanically it's no problem. The engine bay is not going to be painted because it's just too much work at this point. The rust and the bodywork will take too much time, so we'll just clean it to nečasno standards. Yeah, and that's it for today. See you tomorrow.